Hello, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank. Bring inside power and other resources outside with the Screenlet.
We often rely on extension cords and additional installations from electricians to access power outside. Not anymore, thanks to the revolutionary Screenlet. Able to attach to any standard window screen, the patented Screenlet allows you to easily bring inside power and other cabling outside, whenever and wherever you need it. And it helps preserve the integrity of your window screen by protecting your home from insects and preventing screen damage. From electrical tools to outdoor entertainment to a little bit of everything in between, the Screenlet is a convenient, practical approach to help you access the resources you need. You can use it just about anywhere. Get more done, have more fun with Screenlet. Order yours today. Visit ScreenletPower.com for more details.